Welcome to this technical guide on the HP EliteBook 840G5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP EliteBook 840G5 won't boot up, you may be facing a serious issue with the device. This can occur due to a failed component, a corrupted BIOS, or even a power supply problem. If not resolved promptly, it could lead to data loss or further damage to the laptop, making it more costly to repair. Let's get started on diagnosing the issue. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic spudger, and a replacement component, if necessary. First, ensure the laptop is turned off and unplugged. You should also remove the battery if it is detachable. Carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Start at a corner and gently work your way around to avoid damaging the clips. Once the back cover is off, you will be able to see the internal components. Look for the RAM modules and the hard drive, as these are common culprits for boot issues. If you identify a faulty RAM stick, gently pull the clips on either side to release it before lifting it out. When replacing the RAM, align the notch on the RAM stick with the slot and press down firmly until it clicks into place. If the hard drive appears to be the problem, locate the screws holding it in place, and carefully remove them. Disconnect the drive from the motherboard by gently pulling it away. Insert the new hard drive by sliding it into the connector and securing it with the screws. Remember not to over-tighten them, as this could crack the casing. As you work, be cautious of nearby components to avoid accidental damage. Once all components are securely in place, reattach the back cover by pressing it down until you hear the clips snap back into position. Plug in the laptop and power it on to check if it boots successfully. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure your laptop is kept free from dust and debris, regularly update your BIOS and operating system, and avoid abrupt shutdowns. Regular maintenance can go a long way in keeping your device running smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.